problem. It says in the paragraph 12 of the mood problem, after attack, the wreckage exploration revealed that the ship carried 10 SLF soldiers, 30 civil dressed people. It is clearly mentioned in the facts that those were civil dressed. After that, it is mentioned who belonged to the Azure having Serabi ethnicity as per the proven facts of the mood problem. Paragraph 4, it states that Anatolia has always been marred with ethnic tensions and separatist movements in Sarabistan.
Not made, marred.
Marred with the ethnic tension and separatist movements, particularly.
What if you are not
Please,
agreeing,
yeah,
but
please, yes.
notwithstanding our pleasure, you may continue.
Much obliged, Your Honor. Myself, Radha Mohammed Azim, I am the co-counsel for the defense and over the.
Never introduce yourself as myself or themselves or whatever. ये इंडियंस जो हैं वो गलत अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं और उनकी वजह से हम तक पहुँचा दिया। I am, और कभी आपको अपना तारुफ भी नहीं कराना पड़ता, जल्दी से आप जो है ना पोजीशन पे आ जाते हैं। आप कहते हैं कि I am the co-counsel for prosecution or in this case defense, ठीक है, may have to see। ये बात नहीं करते यहाँ पर, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ तो प्रेजेंटरीज भी करते थे, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, गुड मॉर्निंग, उसके मैसेज भी भेज देते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे। सिर्फ अपनी बात कहें और शुरू हो जाए, ठीक है?
Pardon me, Your Honor, I will be proceeding the arguments on behalf of defense for over the course of next 10 minutes.
It was an internal issue. That's why the Republic of Anatolia has.
तो उसे कहा कि बहुत गंदे बच्चे आइंदा नहीं करना, सही है, गलत बात है, 30 बच्चे मारते नहीं है, जाओ, ठीक है?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, if the court is satisfied, then my co-counsel will shed light upon issue 2 and 3.
That means you don't tell him later.
Unusual movements of those civil dressed people around that machine gun. That implies that those, if they were civilians, they had nothing to do with that machine gun that was installed on that ship. And my co-counsel will further elaborate this answer to you.
Wow, ये बड़ा अच्छा है.
Your
But I
Honor,
love the candor.
Your Honor, the defense submits that the ICC has no jurisdiction on the case of Arvind Nyssen because the state of Anatolia has already withdrawn from the statute.
तो आपकी जो प्रीमाइज है ना वो 3 है। पहले तो बात ये है कि मैंने किया लेकिन ये भी मेरे साथ था, और फिर इसे नहीं किया, मैंने तो उसे कहा नहीं था। हमने तीनों अलग अलग बातें की इन 10 मिनट में, पता है आपको?
Your Honor,
How would you respond to that, counsel?
Your Honor, the
सुन रहा हूँ मैं।
Your Honor, the defense has to argue with the argument raised by the prosecution.
तो आपने उनके डाल दिया, ओवर टू यू ना दिया, वो बात करेंगे या करेंगी? चलें।
Your Honor, according